Stop Pavement Parking campaign. The new hotline number 101 is proving useful in the campaign against pavement parking, and much else is also happening in Shropshire and in other parts of the country to clear our footpaths of this scourge. Several SDN supporters tell us they have used 101 to report dangerous parking to the police. A typical Twitter message to SDN says, "I reported a driver via 101 last week and will do so whenever I see a vehicle obstructing access." We have also been told, "I reported a car owner to the police via the 101 phone number." Campaign groups across the geographical county of Shropshire have put flyers on windscreens and whenever possible are asking the car owners why they are doing it. Always the answer seems to be that they are waiting for someone or they just popped out to the shop. No excuse for illegally parking in our opinion. Here are two more messages just to underline the importance of the issue. Pavement parking is selfish and inconsiderate and a danger to the blind, partially sighted and disabled members of our community, as well as other users such as parents with prams or pushchairs. I came unstuck the other day when I was on my mobility scooter. I could not get past a vehicle parked on the pavement. I had to reverse and find a dropped curb in order to go on the road and round the vehicle, wrote another member. Radio Shropshire has debated the issue. Vehicles parked on pavements can be annoying for some walkers, but for those who have difficulty getting around, especially the blind, being forced to walk in the road to get past cars is dangerous, said one caller. In 2011, the government gave councils powers to act against pavement parkers, and SDN is among those applying pressure on councillors who seem unaware of their powers. All councils in England now have permission to use signs to indicate a local pavement parking ban. Until recently, councils had to gain special authorisation from the government each time they wanted to put a pavement parking ban in place. The Transport Minister said at the time, "There is a selfish minority who do not use their common sense and dump their cars wherever it suits them without a second thought for others. I hope that reducing the bureaucracy involved in banning pavement parking will make it easier for councils to use their powers to tackle this nuisance and make life safer for everyone."